Good morning, class. It's time for math. It is April 23rd, day 12 of our virtual learning. This is the paper you will need today. It is lesson 5 problem set. On the back side should be lesson 5 homework. Okay, so if you want to go ahead and get that out so you can follow along, I'll go ahead and share my screen so you can see what we've got here today. Okay. Again, we're working on those groups of 10, getting up into those teen numbers. How about to begin with, we count to 20, okay? When we're counting to 10, we'll go ahead and do on our fingers, okay? So get your fingers ready, okay? Listen over here, are you ready? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. And then we'd start over with 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20. Or we can go 10, 1, 10, 2, 10, 3, 10, 4, 10, 5. And then you could continue on to 20. Okay, got those fingers all nice and warmed up. Let's go ahead and look at our paper. And again, I have my name and my date, and I put day 12. You don't have to put that, but that helps me remember. So it says to circle 10 things, and our 10 things are already grouped. Okay, so we can look at that. It's like a 10 frame. I know there's 10 there, 10, 10. Okay, so they're already grouped in this side in 10s. So we're going to count our 10s first. And then we're going to put a line over the other ones, okay? So we're going to circle our 10. Here's 10. So I know we have 10, 1, 10, 2, 10, 3, which would be what? 10, 11, 12, 13. Very good. Okay, so then we have to, what I would like to do, I think, is just, if it was me, if we're doing it in class, I would do this. I would count and write the number here and then draw the line so it kind of stays a little more organized. Okay, so we'll circle this 10 little kittens. Oops, I forgot to put my lines over there. 10, 1, 10, 2, 10, 3, 10, 4, or 10, 11, 12, 13, 14. Well, here's a group of 10 pineapples, and I can look at this, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, and there's another group of 10. So if I have two groups of 10, so 10, what's another 10? 20, very good. So I'm going to write 20 out here. Okay, here we have some bananas. I have 10 bananas. And then 10, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, and 10, 7. Or I have 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17. Good. Remember, you need to be counting with me because that's what we would do in classes. You'd have to count them out loud with me. Got some hot dogs here. I have 10. Let's go ahead and count these. I know there's 10 there because they're in a 10 group. 1, 2, count with me. 3, 4, I can't hear you. 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 10, 1 would be 11. The directions don't tell us to write these numbers here, but I think it's really good practice. So if we were in the classroom, that's what I would have you do, is write these numbers here. We always need good practice writing our numbers to 20 and beyond. A lot of us might not remember to put that 1 in the front, okay? So that's really good practice. Now it's the easy part, and I'll let you do that on your own. You just have to match up. So I have 10 ones and 3 ones, or 13. So I would draw a line to there. Okay, so I'll let you do that part on your own. Okay, let's look at the back side, and I am going to change the directions up on this a little bit too, because I think this looks like a lot for you to do. Again, you need your name at the top. Remember, you need to start trying to practice writing your first name and last name too. They'll want you to do that in first grade. So that's really important to try to do both of those. Not on every paper, but at least once a day, try to write them. So what they have, it says, write the numbers that go before and after, counting the say 10 way. So we'll do that at the top, but then we're going to do something different at the bottom. So our example says, well, my number in the middle is 10 ones and 4 ones. So before that, I would have 10 ones and 3 ones. And after that, I would have 10 ones and 5 ones. If you cover up the tens, it goes 3, 4, 5. So here I have 10 ones and 2 ones. So here I would have 10 ones and 1 1. So 1, 2, what number do you think would go there? Yeah, a 3. So it'd be 10 ones and 3 ones. Okay, and here I have 10 ones and 5 ones. So here I'll do 10 ones, and what number comes before 5? I have 5 and I take 1 away. What do I have? 4. And then we need the one that comes after 5. So if I have 5 and I add 1, I have 6. So 10 ones and 6. All right, so I helped you with that part. I am going to change it up a little bit at the bottom, okay, just for something different. I went ahead and put I wrote the number of what 10 ones and 6 ones equals. That equals 16. And that just means I have 10 and 6 more. Okay, so you just have to remember that there's a bundle of 10 when we get past our teens. Into our teens. So I have 10 ones and 6 is 16. 10 ones and 1 is 11. And 10 ones and 9 is 19. Now I just want you to write the actual number before and after. So if I have 16, what's the number before 16? If you're counting, what number comes right before 16? I have 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15. 15, 16, 17. Very good. Okay. And that's just what I want you to do with the rest. I want you to give me the number that comes before 11 and after 11. Before 19 and after 19. And I know you all know how to count to 20, so that should be, the counting part won't be that hard, but writing the number properly might be where you have a little bit of a trickier situation. Okay, let me go ahead and stop the sharing here. All right, guys, before we leave, let's count by 5s to 100. Okay, you ready? Get your fingers ready. Here we go. 5, 10, 15, 20, 25, 30, 35, 40, 45, 50, 55, 60, 65, 70, 75, 80, 85, 90, 95, 100. All right, my friend came to see me, and he wanted to tell you what a great job you guys are doing, and he's very proud of you. He says you're doing perfect. He likes to be right by me, but I don't think he likes me on the camera. Okay, work hard for your parents today, okay? Make me super duper proud like you always do. I know you guys are so, we haven't counted how many days we've been in school because we kind of lost a few, but remember, you guys are over 100 days smarter, more than that. So work hard, and I can't wait to see all your work. Okay, bye guys.